Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website. Like you see me here is Failed Agents, and Failed Agents is a mobile app that connects businesses with a network of independent workers who perform various tasks and provide real-time information from location around the world. So to get started with Failed Agents, simply head on over to Failed Agents or failedagent.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. This is all the results I got after my search on Google. We have the app in Google Play, in Apple also, and their page in Facebook and in Instagram. Okay, we need the official site. That means the first one, Failed Agent Solution for today's retail challenges. Okay, let's click on it. So now we are in the home page or the interface of the website. We have here some information, reviews, some users also, and their review about the websites, Failed Agents, and some companies that are support this website here, and some services. Okay, we will see all this later after I show you how to create accounts and how to get started in or with Failed Agents. So first thing, we need to click on login, and if you have already an account, you will just write your email, password, and then login. Here, if this is the first time and this website like me, you will just create one over here. Okay, don't have an account, like you see. Okay, now we need to choose, are we a client or agent? If you were a client, you will click on the first one. If you were an agent, you will click to or in the second one. Okay, let's try with the clients. Click on it. Now we need to enter and answer this information of the first name and last name, then the company name. I will not create an account now. I will just show you all the information that you need to create. Okay, I don't have an email or work email address. You need to have one to create an account in this website. And then the password. And retype it. And click on create an account. Then you will confirm that you're not a robot by answer on this question. Select all images with traffic lights. This one here, and here. And verify. So this is how to create an account successfully and this website. Like you see the account and the parameter over here to sign out or to enter to the account, to edit or add or prime something. And if you were to looking for something, we just type it over here, and then there is here the different services that this website is present to us, like the products over here, solutions, the resource, learn, and let's talk. If you want to ask them or find any issue, they will just help you by clicking on this one here. That means the support and communication. The app provides support and communication channels to assist agents with task-related inquiries, troubleshooting, and general assistance. Okay, let's try to see what's this page contain. Okay, we have like example the recent order. Okay, here in explore the marketplace, let's click on it. Okay, this is the marketplace of the website. This is all here you can see what's new and also the price. You can find this front of the image, and you can view or find all their providers and just see them from here, and you can contact them from once here to, if you like example have a question or find any problem or issue. We have here also the trending on the websites with the price, like you see here, excuse me. And you can just select what you want to see on the website, like example the audits, trial, e-commerce. Okay, let's try with the e-commerce one and see all the products about it. This is the e-commerce products in this website, and you can find price, the name of the products. And if you like example click on someone, like example this one, you will find all the information about it here. You need just to read it and you will know this product is for what and the price and what you will get if you paid this one. 3 pure white products follow Shooters K angels from back and 3 on 4 side approved space to meet e-commerce requirements and more. Okay, if you want to get started with this product, you need just to click over here, and then you will just build your e-commerce product photography package project. And let me tell you that the quality control on this site is very high. Field agents incorporate quality control measures to ensure accurate and reliable data collection. This may involve task validation processes, data verification, and feedback mechanism. Okay, this is all what I can tell you about the website today. Okay, when you just, if you want to complete the project, you will just click on continue. If you want to sign out, you will just came here and click on sign out over here. So this is how to use this website. I hope you understand me. If you like the video, please follow for more and subscribe. So like usual, my friends, bye bye to the next video and next websites.